It is a seriously frosty morning. I don't know what the temperature is yet, but we're definitely looking at below zero, or whatever that is in Fahrenheit. 32 is zero, I think. Whatever freezing is, anyway. I'm just writing a tune in Desperado before I go to work, and the temperature doesn't even say, it just says ice. Oh, -2, look at that. Wow, coldest day of the year so far. That's wild. Hopefully this thing fires up well. It hasn't been this cold yet. Usually I've been at around 0, 1 degree, and it's pretty good, but we will see. Now I've been having issues with it resetting the mass air after writing a tune. Like yesterday, it took me like 10 times to start it. So let's see what happens. All right, come on, fail the math. There we go. First thing, look at that. It's getting richer. Okay, we're down in the 11s. I'm actually okay with that. I'm perfectly fine with that. Look at this. Fired up. Idling. Tune is working. Beautiful. I gotta turn on some heat, let this thing warm up a little bit. I don't think it has rear defrost, but I don't know if the mirror defrosts or not. It is way too cold for me, man. Very nice. Running beautifully. I can still hear the 2 waste gates leaking a little bit there, so I'm gonna need new gates. But that's it, that's all I can do. They were like 60 bucks each on eBay, so what do you do? Look, even the door handle. This is disgusting. Why couldn't I have been born in Texas somewhere? Still idling nice. I like that air fuel. That's pretty good, actually. Probably could be a little bit richer, but I'm just fine with that. I've only got a 160 thermostat in this also, so you know it's not going to get up super hot, but it'll work. A frosty one. Is it defrosted enough for me to go to work yet? Not really. Almost. One thing I noticed though, my wideband is reading 12.4, 12.5. And my wideband over here is reading like 13.3. So something is kind of messed up there. I gotta figure that out. I don't know if it's because it's so cold. It's not normally like that. But it seems like right now it's reporting that it's leaner than it actually is. So I've got to take a look at that. Might be because my gauge is cold. I don't know. Change of resistances or something. All right, we're on the road. Still a little bit frosty, but I can see well enough. Oh, nothing coming. This is boost weather now. Yeah. Can definitely hear the turbos now. I'm gonna turn the heat down a little bit so we can hear the turbos better. Ooh, Honda, wanna race? There we go. Now we can hear it. It really likes the cold. Ooh, police station. Just normal citizen. Not driving anything fast, just quiet, just being an NPC. Turbo noises. howdy. Want a race? It's probably for getting groceries anyway. I bet this thing would spin now, wouldn't it? I bet it would spin now. It's funny how my wideband is a full point off. Like right now I'm at like 13.1, 13.2-ish. Over here, it's at 14.1. The green line on the bottom there. That's weird, man. It's very weird how it's reporting around. I didn't notice that before. Camera stabilization is pretty good, but I can't hold the camera very still. But hey, it's a nice day to drive to work. If you don't look at all the lights on like a Christmas tree, the gauge cluster is actually pretty nice in this, and I'm going to fix that very soon with the proper tools. Oh yeah, I forgot. Look at this. Look. Where is it? There it is. Ready? See how it says open? Oh, I got the loud button hooked up. Really hear the turbos when the loud button comes on. Yesterday I did a 0 to 60 pull with the cutout closed and it was 4.0 seconds. I haven't done it with it open yet. Well, that sounds good. Hey, it's Chad. Want to race? I'll race anybody. Alright, breakfast time. After that bit of a pull, I can definitely hear the wastegate open. Hear that? Yeah, the gates are sticking open. That's bad. I'm going to have to take them apart and polish them up really well. I did do a little bit when I put the twins on, but I just sort of cleaned up the shafts, but it seems now that they got a lot of heat through them and they're kind of warped up. Which is funny because I had those two gates on the rat rod with the twin turbos for like all summer last year, and they didn't give me one issue until right now. That's it, I'll figure it out. The worst part about having the wastegate stuck open is it's not going to make boost as fast as if they were stuck closed, although that would be dangerous. I'm kind of scared to goose it on this road because it's really icy. I think it was spinning. Pretty sure it was just spinning. What a savage machine this is. Holy. Alright, time to go to work. Have a good day, everybody.